Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The government has announced plans to take out a national insurance premium against disasters. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark made the announcement yesterday while speaking at a Jamaica Stock Exchange seminar on developing elements of a disaster risk financing strategy. TVJ's Andrew Laidley tells us more.
In the event of a disaster, Jamaica is guaranteed immediate access to over $1 billion from the International Monetary Fund. However, that protection ends when Jamaica's precautionary standby arrangement with the IMF comes to an end in September. That's why the Finance Minister is making plans to take out an insurance premium for the country.
We need protection in the event of a major event, natural disaster event. And the nature of this kind of protection is that it will require premium or payment that may be paid and you never draw because there's never a Category 5 event or Category 4. Now that's the best possible outcome.
Dr. Clark says he plans to finalize the premium before the end of this financial year.
The fifth layer, it has so far been the missing element and one that we are assiduously working towards, and I hope to be able to transact at some point during this financial year.
But that's only one layer of protection. Already in place are the emergency allocations made every year in the national budget, money set aside in the contingency fund for natural disasters, and the country's drawdown rights from the Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility, CRIF. So why embark on another insurance premium?
In a high event, everything is going to be, all layers will be activated. So you have your catastrophe layer of a couple hundred, you have your contingent credit of a couple of hundred, you have your CRIF of, let's say, 100 or whatever. You have your fiscal savings, and when you add it all up, what we want it to be such that we're moving towards something that represents the emergency expenditures that are associated with a high-impact storm.
In terms of the execution, Dr. Clark says he's considering the option of establishing a catastrophe bond on the capital market, where investors can actively participate and provide payout when it is needed. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will cost $1.37 less. However, automotive diesel will go up by 58 cents, while ultra-low sulfur diesel is costing 91 cents more. Kerosene will go up by 75 cents. It will cost $1.63 less for propane, while $3.06 will be shaved off the price of butane. The Bank of Jamaica intervened in the foreign exchange market today and sold $30 million US. The sale was at a rate of $137.48 to authorized dealers and large cambios using the Bank of Jamaica's foreign exchange intervention and trading tool, BFixit. The GOJ says the intervention was triggered by temporary demand and supply imbalances in the market. As a result, the central bank is encouraging businesses to utilize forward contracts with their financial institutions to minimize the risk associated with their foreign exchange obligations. The flash sale intervention comes a few weeks after the International Monetary Fund cautioned the bank against intervening in the foreign exchange market too often. Meanwhile, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $137.19. The Canadian dollar sold for $102.94. The pound is now selling at $179.37, while the euro is going for $153.83. On the stock exchange, the JSE index gained 1,642 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 45 points. Stocks posting gains included Medical Disposables and Supplies, General Accident Insurance Company, Lasco Manufacturing, Elite Diagnostic, and Fontana. Now, on the losing side were Iron Rock Insurance, Radio Jamaica, Main Event Entertainment Group, 138 Student Living, and Express Catering. That wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.